Thank you. This is TJ Technology. Good day to everyone right here. It's good to have you around again. So, what we're gonna do now is we're going to we're going down to string space from drive C. We want another space apart from the drive C. We want another drive on this system. So this is how we're going to go. We have to have subspace. We could have, apart from the Windows system, that could be more or less just like a backup whenever your system is down or is crashed, and your operating system is crashed and you want to refresh it. You want to reload an operating system on the system, so that will give you a backup that whenever you even wipe off your hard disk, your string or your partition memory will still be there. All the contents in your partition memory, in your partition drive, will still be there. So we have to come down to management. By the time you type on window, you just tap on the window key, come down to you type on computer management, and by the time it comes to computer management, you see you go down to disk management, and from the disk management you could see the drive C NTFS format. So this is where we're going to do the job, where we extract. This is where we're going to extract the gig we want. So by extracting, you have to right click and go down to string volume. When you string, you extract gig from the drive C, and is querying the hard disk how many giga space that is available. Then it brings it out for you. It might take some time. But just give it a time to calculate the space on the hard disk, so it will bring it out for you. And as you can see, we have a system reserved and we have some recovery space megabytes for the hard disk, just for it to breathe. So now it's down, is up now. So now you can see we are told this is the amount of space available on the hard disk, and he has given us in megabytes. So we are told to type in anyone we want to string in megabytes, and as it is, I can string up to like 150 gig. And remember, 1024 kilobytes make 1 megabyte, but we are given in megabytes to calculate, to type in megabytes, so to able to get gigabytes. So 1024 megabytes makes 1 gigabyte. So if you input 10,240 megabytes, that it means you are extracting 10 gig from the drive C hard disk. So if you put 20,480, then it means you are extracting 20 gig from the drive C, just as partition string C. So you are extracting the gig from there. So we are putting 20,480. So we click on string. So let's give it some time to string the 20 gig we require for. So as you can see, 20 gigabytes unallocated. So now we have to right click. We'll right click on the 20 gigabytes unallocated. You can see it's yet to be there, so we have to right click on it to format it. The space is there already now, so we have to make it a new simple volume, so we'll be able to associate. We'll be able to uh, we'll be able to make use of it. So you just leave it as it is. Just click on next, next, next. Then if you want to change your volume, if you want to give it a title, you can give it a title. And you want to label it any name, you can label it. You can leave it as default, but for my own I put it as Android disk. So I click on next. So it strings here to format it to interface format, so be able to make use of it on the system. You can see on the system, you can see it's come up. So if I, you can see it's added, it has added Android disk, you can see. So if I go down to my window, my computer, I'll see the drive I just created. I'll see there, you can see it's there, Android disk. You can see it's empty. So you can now start copying anything you want to copy and start putting it inside. Anything you want to do, you can start backing it up inside the Android disk, inside the string disk we just created. So you'll be able to have a backup even in case if your system crashed or stuff like that. If your operating system crashed, then you can rerun your operating system without losing any fertile files that you don't want to lose. Thanks for watching. God bless, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Thanks for learning. Thanks. Bye.